Today, let's take a tour of Old Key West Resort at Walt Disney World. Old Key West is a villa or DVC resort located in the Disney Springs area of Walt Disney World. This resort has all the vibes of the Florida Keys between the island fields, beautiful palm trees, golf course fairways, and more. You'll definitely get that tropical paradise feel. This resort is located near Disney Springs. It has the main hospitality house building and lots of buildings where the rooms are located. Disney doesn't have names for these sections, only building numbers throughout. As you arrive at the hospitality house building, you'll have access to several amenities, including Olivia's Cafe, which is a fantastic, reasonably priced table service restaurant that we love to eat at. Gurgling Suitcase, which is a Key West style bar that serves both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Goods Food to Go, which serves burgers, salads, desserts, snacks, and beverages all ready to grab and go. Perfect for when you just want to find a spot to eat something quickly. And Conch Flats General Store, where you can shop for groceries, snacks, sundries, hotel logo items, souvenirs, etc. Since this is a villa resort, the shop has more groceries than you'll find at most Disney World resorts, since many rooms include some level of kitchen or kitchenette. Heading inside the rooms here, you'll find some of the most spacious in all of Disney World, with the studios having 2 queen beds versus other studios at other resorts that have a queen bed and a sofa bed. Each also features a patio or balcony here. The villas are also spacious and can accommodate up to 12 depending on which size you book. They feature full kitchens and washers and dryers. All rooms come with various views, including views of water, woodlands, or the fairways. People staying at Old Key West looking for things to do will find plenty of options, starting with the pools. Old Key West has one feature pool called Sandcastle Pool, which has a 125-foot-long water slide through a giant sandcastle, a sand beach, decorative dolphins spouting water, a whirlpool spa, and a dry sauna inside the pool deck's lighthouse. There is also a kiddie pool here. It also has 3 leisure pools, and those are for all ages, and each of those include their own whirlpool spa. You can find the leisure pools in the Old Turtle Pond, South Point, and Miller's Road sections. Outside of the pools, you will find 2 game rooms, the Electric Eel Game Room and the Flying Fish Game Room. There are 3 playgrounds located near the main pool and 2 of the leisure pools. There are jogging trails, volleyball, Surrey bike rentals, a campfire to roast marshmallows, and the Conch Flats Community Hall, which features complimentary foosball, pool, video games, ping pong. You can make crafts, get DVDs, etc. You'll find a complete list of recreation options on the recreation schedule at the resort. When it comes to transportation, guests of Old Key West using Disney-provided transportation will be mostly relying on buses. With 5 internal bus stops, it can take a while getting to and from your destination. Guests wanting to navigate to the hospitality house can catch an internal bus or a theme park bus, which will always stop by the hospitality house before leaving the resort. There is also a boat option to get to Disney Springs from Old Key West. Self-parking is free for those staying on DVC points. For everybody else, there's a $25 per night parking fee. As for our thoughts, we love that it has the largest rooms of all of the DVC properties. It is the least expensive of the DVC resorts. It has great theming, good on-site eating options, and plenty of on-site activities. However, it can feel isolated. Bus rides can be long. And in the past, maintenance and mousekeeping have received more complaints here than most other resorts. This resort is really ideal for groups who want more space at an affordable price point and ideally have a car to make it easier to navigate.